Over about the past year or two, we've received messages, whether it be on Instagram, people calling us, on YouTube. Oh, can you teach me how to do it? Would you ever do training? Do you offer training? And stuff like that, whether it be from a DIY person trying to work on their own car or whatever the case may be, or window washers that are trying to get into the business, or fellow glass scratch. And that's not to throw shade. I'm not gonna mention any names. So we're like, you know what? Let's go ahead. And we've done a couple of trainings since then. But this one was going to be like, okay, this is official. We've got it down. It's gonna be legit. 2 days. It's gonna be real in depth. Food for thought. On last Friday, I don't normally work out in the field on Fridays, but last Friday I did a single job up in San Francisco. Went up there, got to the job about 8:45, and tools on glass at 9:15. I was done by 12:45. I think was when I was like tools in the truck and leaving. That one job would have paid for the training. Or there's like this one right here. I'll show you. This one panel right here, just this one. This is 28 by 96, 28 wide, 96 tall. And there's multiple. Just today, this is my sixth one to be repaired. Just today. At our minimum charge per paint, and this isn't price fixing, this is what we charge. If you can charge it, great. If you can charge higher, great. Or if you're in an area that, you know what, you can't charge that high of prices, you can only charge $200 per panel like this. That's up to you. However, at my minimum charge, 500, and this is not minimum charge, I'm charging more than that. 6 of them in a day at $500 per. Is that really expensive, the training? I remember when I asked a fellow glass scratch repair company, it's like 8 years ago. I was trying to figure some stuff out. I just couldn't get it quite right, and I wanted it to be better. And so I asked a guy that I thought, man, he must know his stuff. How much would you charge to train me? He said $25,000. I said, no, of course. And I figured it out on my own because nobody wanted to share anything. I share all kinds of stuff, not only on social media, like how to do it, but then I'm also willing to give you something that you can make $3,000 a day. You can make 10 grand a day. I've had a day where I made 10 grand a day by myself. So with that in mind, is it really that expensive? That's up to you. But I hope you see the value in it too. So if you want high quality, professional, being able to charge higher prices and be able to get those high-end residential jobs or high-end commercial jobs, not just the graffiti removal jobs, because realistically, let's be honest, whether it be automotive or graffiti removal, a lot of it doesn't pay that much. And so if you want to get paid higher prices, because it's a higher level of quality of results, then reach out to us for training, availability, and pricing.